Yes, so my people, Wahala de Wahala de Ifeanyi Uba has spoken up. And it's not smiling, ah, omo. All right, we'll be bringing you this video shortly as you stay tuned to us. This is IPOB Media, the place where we bring you the good news of Biafra. Yes, this is the only channel where you get the latest legit news, information, updates, trends, happenings, events, and everything you need to know about Biafra and our struggle for freedom. Yes, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on interesting videos like these as we bring them on daily basis. And don't forget to share on all your social media handles so that our fellow Biafrans get to know what is going on. And share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think, especially this recent event happening between Ifeanyi Uba and our Prime Minister. Alright, give this video a thumbs up as well as we go into what we have for you right now. Yes, Ifeanyi Uba has come out to address the people, and he's sending strong warning to PM, right? I want you to watch this video for yourself. I wouldn't want to say everything that happened. Watch this video, and see what Ifeanyi Uba has to say. I'll be right back.
2 years now, for good 2 years, we have observed every Monday as sit at home. But we have cooperated in the spirit of observing every Monday for sit at home. We have also found out that we are losing our economic base, and most importantly, we are losing jobs and business opportunities. As a representative of the good people of Anambra South, Nnewi North being the political capital of Anambra South, we deem it fit to say we will not continue to have sit at home on Mondays. Yes. From this Monday, every business venture in Nnewi will be open for business. Yes. We have our men, we have our system. We know saboteurs will try to come to sabotage what we are doing, but we are resolute to fight any aggression that will come into this town. Yes. I've had statements. To be precise, I've heard from what's that his name? Simon or one Simon that hailed from the This is a warning to Simon. For 17 good times, you have mentioned the time Uba, and I did not reply you. You have been seeking for my attention 17 good times, and I'm replying you today. I've never ever mentioned Ifeanyi Uba or Nnewi again. You have your appearance in the podium. Your state is ABC state. And you have never ever one day mentioned your state in Ebonyi. Ebonyi don't observe it at home. You are in Finland contesting for councillorship or whatever. You go to your job on Mondays, but you want to ridicule us. You want to deprive people because you have communication gadgets, you have internet to run propaganda. I am elected officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I represent the people of Anambra South. Yes. To you, Simon Ekpa, and your controllers, for any one of you to mention sit at home again, for your enterprise, for your dubious enterprise. I am telling you, Simon Ekpa, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I won't say more than this. You have mentioned me 17 times, and I'm only replying you once. Try me, you will see. Go and then observe it at home in the room. And then also your father, your family, go and observe it at home in their village. And this other task will not be alone.
The new assembly will resolve to give it a very serious push. I've started that push by having a meeting with the family of Nnamdi Kanu some few days ago. I'm in contact with the lawyers. We have been talking in the last 1 week. So what our resolve is that we are going to give it a new dimension of legislation and also push. But for us, for 2 years now, we've been observing sit at home, and we don't really appreciate the economic value or downturn the sit at home has brought hardship to our people instead of fortune. So for me and my people, we will not continue with the sit at home. We must go about our businesses on every Monday.
Yes, so my people, you've heard from Ifeanyi Uba. Let us know what you have to think about, what he said, right? Are you in support of him or are you against him? Let us know in the comment section. Be rest assured that I will be right there replying to all of your comments. Yes, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, right? As we bring you, interesting videos like these, right? Subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on subsequent videos like this, and share on all your social media handles so that, our people get to know what is going on. Thank you very much as you do so. God bless.